So there's a new website similar to YouTube. It's called Hideout TV. So basically you watch a couple of videos and so on and so forth. It's very interesting. And I'm going to show you how you can make some money from this. This is absolutely free. You don't have to pay any money to do this. So don't stress about that. And it's available worldwide. So you don't have to worry about where you're coming from. If you're in Africa, Australia, Asia, Europe, South America, wherever you are, you can get access to this opportunity. Now, what I'm going to be showing you is very simple. All you need to do is watch the video all the way to the end. Don't skip any part of the video because I need to explain to you how it works. So just watch the video all the way to the end. You can decide to do this on your phone or on your computer. It's all up to you. Now, before I show you this awesome strategy, please just subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Just click that red button that says subscribe. It's absolutely free to subscribe. You don't have to pay any money to subscribe. And turn on the notification bell so that every time I have a new video for you, you can easily be able to watch my videos. So, as you can see something here called Hideout TV. It's basically a platform similar to YouTube where you can find different kinds of videos. It's basically the same kind of layout. As you can see over here, this is a video on baking Nutella cookies. Now, go onto a different website called gg2u.org. When you're over here, it's basically a platform where you can earn rewards for taking surveys, playing games, watching videos, and many more things. Now you can choose to be paid via PayPal, Bitcoin, or e-gift cards. So these are the three methods at which you will receive your money. I personally use PayPal. So if you want your money in Bitcoin, you can do so. If you just want some e-gift cards as well, you can do that as well. Now, what's great about this as well is that once you register, you get an immediate bonus of $1. It's absolutely free. So don't worry about spending any money. You just get an extra bonus of $1 just for signing up. So the first thing you want to do is you want to put in your first name, put in your email address, choose a username, choose a password, your country, click on I've read and agree to the terms and sign up for a free account. Now, when you get your free account, it's going to tell you that, hey, welcome to GG2U. It's going to explain a couple of things. And it's going to explain to you here, we'll credit you $1 USD for every 100 coins you earn. So basically on this website, every 100 coins is equal to $1. So if you have 1,000 coins, it's basically $10. So if you have 10,000 coins, then it's $100. So it says once you reach just $7, you can request a payout to your PayPal account or Coinbase Bitcoin email address or e-gift cards. So the minimum you can withdraw is $7. So I want to click on continue. So when you click on continue, you're going to come onto this page and you're going to see to get started earning, here are some things that are easy to do. Basically, they explain again that 100 coins is $1. So for example, this is 550 coins. So it's basically $5.50 just for doing this. What they want you to do is if you're at least 18 years old or have a family member at least 18 years old who wants to do this offer, click the banner and sign up for the Nielsen Computer and Mobile Panel app and keep the app installed. So all they want you to do is just to keep the app installed, and that's basically it. So you don't really have to use the app at all. They just want you to download the app and they're gonna give you 550 coins. So you can have something different over here. As you can see, 400 coins. Basically what they want you to do is just to download the app, keep the app installed for at least 30 days, and they're going to give you 400 coins. Now there are different things that you can do as well, which I'm going to show you. This is just an extra bonus that I'm showing you right here. Now what you want to do is go down here and click I'm done with this page. So when you click on I'm done with this page, you're going to see over here, this is going to show you your balance. Over here, this is the $1 bonus that they've given you. Then you just need an extra $6 to reach the $7 mark. So you're going to see different kinds of things over here. Don't get too confused. I'm going to show you something cool. What you want to do is you want to click onto videos. So when you click on videos, they're going to explain to you that, hey, for every 200 video points you earn, you'll receive a silver token, which will add up to $1 to $3 to your account balance. So all you need to do is to watch videos and you're going to get more points, which will then be converted into money. So it's all on the website of Hideout TV. So for example, you want to click on this or this one over here, then you want to click on that. Then it's going to take you straight over here. As you can see, all you need to do is watch the video all the way to the end. You just need to watch the video all the way to the end, and then they're going to credit you with extra points. So there are different kinds of videos that you can decide to watch and earn extra points, as you can see over here. So it's very, very easy to do. So all you want to do is basically just click on different kinds of videos so that you can get extra points for yourself. It's absolutely easy to do. An extra thing that you can do on this website as well, which is really, really cool, just click on AdSense Media. When you click on AdSense Media, you're going to come onto this page over here. Now the reason I love this section is that you get many more points for doing different kinds of things. Over here, there's paid for research. They're going to give you plus 13. Here's a survey about, cars. You get an extra 45. Here's a survey about vitamins and supplements. Get an extra 40. So there are different kinds of surveys that you can answer over here, and you'll get much more points. So this is just the website that I wanted to show you today. It's really, really cool. Remember, the sign up procedure is absolutely free, and you get an extra $1 just for signing up. So that's basically all I wanted to show you today. I hope it makes sense. If you have any questions, please comment them down below in the comments section, and I'll make sure to reply. As you can see over here, what is GG2U and is it free to join? Well, it's absolutely free. There are different questions that people ask over here. It's absolutely free to join. So that is all I wanted to show you today. Just make the most out of it. There's so many different things that you can actually do. You can watch videos, do surveys. I personally like doing the surveys because they're very easy to do, and you get many more points really quickly. And what I love about this is that the sign up procedure is free and it's very simple. So that's basically all I wanted to show you today. I hope this helps you. If you do have any questions, make sure to comment them down below. Please like the video if you haven't already, and subscribe to the AD Money channel if you haven't already, and turn on the post notification bell as well. And I want to leave you with a little secret if you're going to decide to watch the videos. So if you're going to watch the videos, what you want to do when you're on the video over here, just make sure that you click on over here and make sure that you click it on the lowest so that it doesn't use up all your internet. So that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and cheers.